How to install Microsoft 2013. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then simply search for Office 2013 we download. Now, it will lead you to this page. Go to the Microsoft's official website and then simply download the 2013 version. So as you can see, this is not free. You will have to pay a certain amount for this. So this is the website from where you will be able to buy any Microsoft or Office product. If you specifically want Office 2013, select Office 2013 and then download it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you.